Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, November 30th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. If you entered your information in your PLP prior to the document being altered, you should be good. If you have not entered information into your PLP, please do so soon. Also, a little bit about AR. Students, remember you have to read and reread to make sure you remember what you have read. Ms. Smith is noticing a lot of students that have met their point goal, but their averages are very low. You have to do well on your test to meet your goal. Don't rush through your book. Teachers, please help Ms. Smith monitor this. Late duty today is Ms. Waller. Today's weather, high of 72, low of 40, thunderstorms, 76% chance of rain, and hopefully the rain has moved on out and we won't have to deal with that. Today's breakfast may be cinnamon rolls, sausage link, juice, milk. Lunch might be chicken fajita, rice, lettuce, fruit, and juice. Important dates, we have the school spelling bee on December 6th, December 7th, Stuff the Bus deadline, December 9th, holiday shirts and jeans for students that donated toys, December 13th, Winter Wonderland, December 15th, class Christmas parties, December 16th, last day of second quarter, December 19th through January 2nd, Christmas break. There are no birthdays today. Also, we have our toy drive going on. Don't forget to bring a toy for the toy drive. That's due December 7th. Question of the day. Miss Moeller's first grade class had a great question. If water is clear, why do lakes and oceans look blue? Dagan and Bryson found the answer. The ocean is blue because water absorbs colors in the red part of the light spectrum like a filter. This leaves behind colors in the blue part of the light spectrum for us to see. The ocean may also take on green or red or other hues as light bounces off of floating sediments and particles in the water. If you have a question, you can submit a question to the question box that is located in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a happy Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.